Chao, where we talk about everything milk tea, coffee, smoothies, and prep. Today's video clip is because of one of our subscribers from Malaysia who recommended that we can do iced mocha using Nescafe and Milo. So for those of you that have no access to dark chocolate or cocoa, you can use exactly what I have in front of me. Here we are going to make Neslo, or simply iced mocha. The ingredients that we need for this Neslo: Milo, instant coffee or Nescafe, condensed milk. You can use any brand that you have available in your market. I have here Carnation, but you can use any brand, and also evaporated milk. And because I've already made my milk syrup, which is a combination of condensed milk and evaporated milk, I'm going to use this one. And we are also going to use creamer. So you can use any brand that you have available in your market. Now, if you have seen my video on instant coffee, link above, I have put a little bit of sugar there. But remember that the recipes that I'm showing in my channel are for commercial purposes. If you are going to make it for yourself or for your friends and family at home, you can adjust the sweetness level. So I have three different types of sweetness level. One is skinny sweet, the other is sexy sweet, and the third one is just sweet. So today I'm going to make a recipe which is just sweet. So I'm sure that your customers will like this. But again, you can adjust as you see fit. And also this time, I'm going to use a shaker just so that it's a little bit more exciting. So first we need hot water. So I'm going to use 5 ounces of hot water because I'm going to make 22 ounces cup. For those that are wondering how to make this using a 16 ounces cup, check the description below. I will put the recipe there. So 5 ounces of hot water, and we're going to use, this is very, very strong. You can adjust the proportion of the coffee and the chocolate as you see fit. You try this first and then make your adjustments. So I'm going to use 1 level tablespoon of instant Nescafe. I'm using here a Nescafe red cup. I'm not sure exactly if you have that available in your market. You can use decaf or just standard Nescafe. And also, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of level Milo, just level tablespoon, into my cup. And then I'm also going to put 1 tablespoon of creamer. So this is going to be really, really tasty. Now, since all of these are powder, it's best to put them in hot water and stir before you add any more of your liquid ingredients. It's smelling really, really good. So if you want to start your own coffee shop or coffee shack in front of your house, this is perfect. You don't have to worry about where to buy your ingredients. Then I'm going to add my milk syrup. For this, because Milo is already a little bit sweet, I'm going to put only 45 ml of milk syrup. Now, if you don't make a milk syrup, 45 ml means 30 ml of condensed milk and 15 ml of evaporated milk. So I'm going to mix it with our chocolate and coffee blend. Give it a stir. So just to make it exciting, I'm going to use my shaker. Just put a little bit of ice there, just so that we have a little bit of the foamy top. Now remember, if you don't have a shaker and you're using a milk frother, that will also work. So milk frother always is very, very useful for this type of drinks. So I'm going to put this into my shaker. It's a little bit warm, so what it actually does is to make sure the drink becomes cold and ready to drink by your customers when you serve it. When you're making iced drinks in our part of the world, you must fill it up with ice. So there you go. And then I'll pour my drink over. There you go, perfect. Nice and frothy, and I'm sure it's very, very well combined because we use the shaker to combine them together. You can stop right here, and this is your iced Neslo, Nescafe and Milo into iced mocha. So easy to make, so easy to find the ingredients. If you want to make this a little bit more premium, you can add Milo on top of the drinks, but that would be an additional cost already. But I'm sure everyone will love this. So just like our Milo dinosaur, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of Milo on top of this drink. Delicious. You can put your lid on. And there is your iced Neslo dinosaur. Something new, something different. This is the first time I'm going to try this one, Neslo. Let's give it a try. Wow, not so bad. It's actually quite perfect. It gives you the taste of coffee as the aftertaste. The Milo is there, very, very subtle. The taste of the chocolate is subtle. You don't have the bitterness at all. And it's easy enough for you to make. So once you decide to add coffee to your menu in your milk tea or coffee shops, this is perfect. And if you're doing it for at home, for your family and friends, this is absolutely delightful. Easy to find the ingredients wherever you are. Give this a try. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button below. Click like if you like this video. And comment any questions that you might have. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Ciao for now.